Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George and this is Task Master. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to create and use the templates on Aura Task Manager. So the first one you're going to see by default is the pipeline type, which pipeline means is that you're going to use it from left to right. So that means you start from the left and it's going to end up on the right. So you can see the green done over here, or you can add a brand new one. Let's just click test and we can move it in between. So that shows us that we're going to do left to right. Okay, that's the main one. But if we want to create a brand new project and use a brand new template, we can head on over to this plus sign over here. Click on it, new project. There we go. And in this place, we can choose a template that's already made or what it's going to be about. So there's a simple pipeline that we just saw. We can do a to-do list, which is a pretty simple one, and the simple board, which there's no, it's just, you can use it any way you want. It doesn't have to do like left to right like pipeline. So we're not gonna show you these easy ones. Let's head on over to marketing type of template. And we can do an event planning. So let's select one of these, use this template. We're gonna call this template just test and confirm it. So this is a marketing template for the events. You can see resources, before events, day events, and after events. So Aura actually helps you out on naming these, but you can actually change them if you want. So for example, if I want to change this one, just click on edit list and you can change before event. So before the event, just be an option. And if you want to change the color, you can also do it right here and select it and save. So pretty easy to use, right? So that's an event type of template. Let's create a brand new template, a new project. Also marketing, we got the editorial template, marketing management board, and sales pipeline. So let's click on this one. So you can see it's a little bit different. You can actually see like an overview, a preview of what it's for. So you can see it's like a simple pipeline as the one as before, but this is made for sales. You can see won sales and lost sales. So we're gonna have Chlorate Test 2 created. So it's going to help us, for example, like I said, they already have pre-made names that are going to help you get started off really quick. We got the leads over here. So for example, client 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've contacted, let's do 1, okay? Client 1. Client 2. Now in this client, obviously, we would add information right here. Hold on. We put out information here or comments to actually know what the client is, who the client is, and all that. So for example, you know what? I've already contacted client number 2. I contacted him. Oh no, he contacted us. We can add him here, or we contacted him. Contacted. Was there a meeting scheduled? Well, yeah. Then you can put him over here. And the client, you know what? He didn't buy. So we send them to lost. And if we won, then we won. Okay, it's a sell. Great job. That's one of the templates. Okay. Let's head on over and check a new one. Let's head on, create a brand new one. Go to marketing. Now let's head on over to software. Now what software templates are for software developers. On developing, there's a whole bunch of process where there's there's just testing and some things don't work and some things don't. So Scrum will help you work with that so you can send them. Let's just create one. Let's try this one. There's also an issue tracker, Agile Kanban, Epic Scrum, and product development. Let's try the product development one. Use this template. Now I haven't used these, but I think they're pretty cool because they're already made for that purpose. So you can see right here, backlog, to do, in progress, question answers, and done. You can also view it in a different type of way. You can see up here. And let's create a brand new one. Let's see if we get more information on this one, the Scrum. And test 3. Create that one. So we get backlog, productize, and shift. So that's how this one. Sprint. We can also sprint on this one. We'll show you. There's going to be a video right just on sprint. So be aware for that video. And let's head on over to new project. Businesses. Okay, we got a meeting agenda, which is pretty simple as the one as in general. Whiteboard simulator, project management, business Canva, and freelance. So check out this business Canva, what information it gives us. Test 4. And there you go. It's key partners, key resources, key activities, value propositions, customer relationship, and channels. So that's how you would use it. We can also change it to list or the graph with the columns. So it just depends what you want to use. Well, that's how you get around with the Aura templates. If you guys want to check them out for yourself and try testing them and see what's going to work best for you, it's a pretty awesome tool. Okay guys, well, if you want to check out this tool, the link is going to be in the description. Thanks for watching guys. My name is George and this is SaaS Master. See you guys later.